The markets are a mess, up, down, and all over the place. No wonder most people freeze, doing nothing and missing out. We're drowning in noise. Headlines, tweets, endless opinions. It's overwhelming, and most of it is useless for seeing the big picture. People obsess over short-term drama, interest rates, quarterly profits, while missing the massive trends reshaping our world. That's why so many investors feel left behind. They're always reacting to yesterday's news, never spotting tomorrow's opportunities. The real secret? Look up. Spot the unstoppable trends that will define the next decades. Right now, a revolution is moving from our screens into the real world. It's about to change how we move, live, and work. While most fret over the small stuff, a few are betting on this transformation. The greatest fortunes are made by those who invest in the future, not the present. And that future is arriving faster than anyone expects. Don't hide from the chaos. See the opportunity. The next big thing is already underway. Will you notice it in time? If you want to see the future, don't watch the stock tickers. Go where the ideas are born, like South by Southwest in Austin. This year, the buzz wasn't about another app. It was about physical AI, artificial intelligence stepping out of computers and into the real world. Robots sorting packages, drones inspecting farmland, and most jaw-dropping of all, self-driving cars cruising Austin's streets. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening now. For 20 years, the digital revolution lived behind screens. Now, it's breaking through the glass. Physical AI is coming into our homes, factories, and streets. The self-driving car is the star of this new era. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new chapter in human history. The next revolution is tangible, visible, and already in motion. The world is about to change in ways we can touch and see. The question is, are you paying attention? The future is being built in places like Austin, not in boardrooms. The lead actor. Self-driving cars. Watch closely. This is the story of our time. Don't miss your cue. Physical AI sounds complex, but it's simple. It's AI with a body. For years, AI could think, but not act. Now, it's moving, building, and doing. Your smart speaker listens, but can't make you a sandwich. Imagine a robot that can. That's physical AI, technology that acts in the real world. We already see it. Robot vacuums, smart checkouts, delivery drones. These are just the beginning. Soon, fleets of robots will build houses, drones will deliver organs, and automation will transform every industry. The first wave of AI created digital giants. The next wave will create giants that organize the physical world. Manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, construction, transportation, nothing will be untouched. The scale is staggering. We're automating the fabric of our economy. Most can't grasp how big this is, but you must try. The opportunity is monumental. The self-driving car is no longer a fantasy, it's here. Technology has leapt forward. These cars are now skilled, safe, and ready for real roads. In the UK, autonomous vehicles are already delivering groceries and ferrying people. The government is on board, passing laws to speed adoption. The benefits are huge. Fewer accidents, reclaimed commuting time, mobility for all. Adoption will be rapid. Think smartphones, but faster. Once people experience the safety and convenience, there's no going back. We're at the start of the growth curve, like smartphones in 2006. The biggest fortunes haven't been made yet. The race is on, and the window of opportunity is wide open. Most are still debating if it's real. Meanwhile, the revolution is rolling out. This is the moment for bold investors. The future is on the road. Will you ride along? How do self-driving cars work? It's not magic, just brilliant engineering. LiDAR acts as the car's eyes, mapping the world with lasers. Cameras, radar, and microphones add more senses, seeing through fog and hearing sirens. All this data flows to a powerful onboard computer, the car's brain. The AI, trained on millions of miles, predicts and reacts in real time. It sees, thinks, and acts hundreds of times a second. No distractions, no fatigue, just perfect, safe driving. The process is seamless and constant. This is the magic of physical AI in action. The future of driving is already here. Imagine life without driving. No more stressful commutes. You'll summon a car, relax, read, work, or nap while it drives. Hours of your life reclaimed. For the elderly and disabled, it's newfound freedom and independence. Cities will transform. Less parking, more parks and public spaces. Cars will run errands, join ride-sharing fleets, and free up urban land. Transportation costs will drop, goods will move faster, and car ownership may fade away. You might subscribe to a car service instead of owning a vehicle. Money saved on cars, insurance, and fuel can be spent elsewhere. This is a fundamental shift in how we live and work. The economic impact will be massive. It all starts with the self-driving car. Are you ready for the change? Where should investors look? Not just at car companies, but the entire ecosystem. LiDAR sensor makers, chip designers, and software companies are the new powerhouses. The brains and eyes of autonomous vehicles are where the real value lies. Data companies will profit from the flood of information these cars generate. In-car entertainment and mobile office services will boom. Logistics and delivery firms will see costs plummet and efficiency soar. E-commerce will get even faster and cheaper. The opportunities are everywhere, from tiny sensors to massive networks. Think beyond the car, invest in what powers, connects, and benefits from autonomy. That's where the real returns are. Ignore the daily drama. Headlines about glitches and setbacks are just noise. Every revolution faces bumps, doubters, failures, and debates. But the direction is clear. Autonomous tech will win out. The benefits are too great to stop progress. As an investor, keep your eyes on the horizon, not the headlines. Short-term panic is opportunity in disguise. The biggest gains come when others are fearful. Think like a historian. Every great shift had doubters, but changed the world. This is another such moment. The story will unfold over decades, not months. Patience and vision will be rewarded. Invest for the long term and let the future work for you. That's the most profitable way to play this revolution. The world is on the brink of a transformation bigger than the internet. Most people are distracted by daily worries. You can see the bigger picture. This is your chance to be part of the next great adventure. Don't let it pass you by. Be curious. Focus on big ideas and learn about the companies building tomorrow. Talk about it. Let the scale of the opportunity sink in. The world rewards the bold and forward-thinking. The self-driving car revolution is here, one of the most powerful investment themes of our time. All it takes is a bit of courage and vision. The journey is just beginning, and the best seats are still available. Do your research, think long-term, and place your bets on the future. The world is changing. Be a participant, not a spectator. Make sure you're on board for the ride.